Good morning, everyone. My name is David Morrow. I'm an assistant principal at Bowie High School. I currently provide leadership for the Career and Technology Education Department. I also give leadership to athletics for our school, and I am over SEL as the administrator for the campus as well. Let me be the first to say welcome to Arlington's Leadership and Development Program. It is called Aspire AISD. Get used to that name because I have a feeling you're going to be here for quite a while. So because you are here today, it shows us that you are a leader on your campus, and we're going to have lots of fun as we continue to move forward in this training. So again, I want to welcome you all here today. Any question that you may have, feel free to ask those questions, but today I'm sure you're going to learn quite a bit. So let's first look at what we're going to talk about today. First thing we're going to learn is the mission of Aspire. It is to create, refine, and support exceptional leadership development programs for teachers, schools, and central office leaders to positively impact students' learning and well-being. In Arlington ISD, our number one focus is our students. So because our number one focus is our students, then our leadership reflects that as well. So we do a lot of training, we do a lot of management, and we do a lot of different things that make us or allow us to grow and be better as leaders for our stakeholders, for our parents, for our students, and for the community as well. So let's talk about how all of this kind of got started. A few years ago, the Holsworth Center and Arlington ISD created a partnership. And through that partnership, then came our Arlington ISD leadership definition. And we'll talk a little bit about that more. But if you've looked around and if you've been around for a little bit, you've probably seen this image here before, but I'll explain a little bit more to you later. Now, today we're talking to department leads and level leads today. So if you look at the screen here, you'll see that we have 3 different pathways. And of course, right now you're on the pathway as a teacher leader, right? So in the future, if you decide to lead a classroom, there are going to be multiple options for you. You can move over into school leadership, or you can move over into central office if that's what you choose. However, with whichever path that you end up choosing, you're going to have a lot of help and support through the Aspire AISD and a lot of opportunities to grow your leadership. So now let's look at the Arlington ISD, the Aspire AISD leadership definition. If you notice, the first thing you're going to see is there are 16 different behaviors. So a large committee over the district was put together, and they identified these 16 different behaviors as very important leadership behaviors. The next thing you'll see with our definitions is our 3 categories: commitment to personal growth, passion for the work, and dedication to the team. And as you'll see momentarily, you'll see that you're here under passion for the work. And then finally, we have 6 different tenets that surround or encompass our leadership model here. And a tenet is just a major principle of your philosophy. And finally, let's look at the leadership guides that you're going to be using as you go through your training today. Passion for the work, as I just mentioned a few moments ago, passion for the work is where you're going to be getting today. Clearly, you are a leader of yourself, because if you weren't a leader of yourself, then your principal probably wouldn't have put you in a leadership role. So today, we're going to be focusing on you as a leader of others. And what we mean by that is you're going to be aligning your team's focus on your campus to meet the goals of the campus. You're going to be organizing and assisting in campus training, and you'll be coming here to visit with us to get more help as it relates to your training as a leader in Arlington ISD under our program, Aspire AISD. And with no further ado, our next section, I will turn it over to Ms. Jennifer Fuller, Ms. Jessica Estelet, and Dr. A. Tracy Brown. Again, thank you for your time. My name is David Morrow.